What's going on, everybody? It's Connor from here at Snow Performance, and if you're tired of fuel pump upgrades that require rubber hose, dumb clamps, and crappy plastic lines, then do we have something for you. Here at Snow Performance, we have found the solution with the nicest fuel hat assembly available on the market. Our fuel hats are engineered, CNC machined, and built right here in the USA from 6061 billet aluminum. These billet fuel hats receive a black anodized finish for the ultimate in durability and corrosion resistance. This also makes them compatible with E85 and other harsh fuels. No detail has been overlooked with these assemblies, as they are designed to eliminate any cheap hose clamps or flow restricting leak-prone plastic lines. Our CNC machined bodies feature Viton chemical resistant O-rings and guarantee a perfect leak-free fit. Snow fuel hats completely replace your factory fuel hat or bucket for an easy installation while retaining your factory tank features, including the OE fuel level sending unit, the evap system, your filler neck, and if you have a saddle style tank, the fuel transfer pump functionality. Snow fuel hats use a 10AN ORB feed and an 8AN ORB return port, and depending on your vehicle's fuel demands, are configurable with a combination of 2 or 3 pumps for maximum flow. There are no knockoff pumps here. Get OE reliability with TI Automotive, better known as Walbro, fuel pumps in flow rates of 450 liters per hour or 470 liters per hour. These truly are the best fuel hats on the market. For more information, visit us at www.snowperformance.net. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. Thank y'all for watching, and as always, I will see you next time.